Bhagavad-gītā Adhyaya 1 Shloka 3. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Shrimad-Bhagavad-gītā Atat Pratamo Adhyayah Arjuna Vishadha Yogaha. Sanjaya Uvacha Pashyaitam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamun Vyudam Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata. O Guru, do you see the excellent military arrangement of the Pandava army led by none other than your very own gifted disciple, the son of Drupada? Atra Sura Maheshvasa Bhimarjuna Samayudhi Yuyudhano Viratascha Drupadascha Maharataha. Their army is powered by heroes like Bhima and Arjuna and mighty warriors that match their skills, namely Yuyudhana, Virata and Drupada.